can't complain. My life was harder before the fame. Lost some people along the way and I miss them bad when I contemplate. Shoot my shot and it's wet like Steph, but I don't play for the Golden State. It's paid that my bro got a poker tucked. He can't even put on a broken face. Why these jokers done? They keep sending but I don't respond. The big dot ain't little like dirt. It's OTF like London foot. The UK's not what you see on films. Bros on the block with the longest one. Definitely hollows of fly at the chain. My bro track poker about this thing. I hear them talking, seeing the tweets, I'm seeing the forum, seeing them mention everyone else but me, like say that I'm not important. All of the music I make in America's making it easier for them. First half of the year done 100 shows, you can see I've been touring. If it weren't for the work that I put in Paris, none of these guys would have gone to Europe. The codeine mixing up with the Phidias, I fall asleep with that sip on syrup. Look in my eyes, I see I've been through it, come straight up, I'm playing, get straight back to it. She asked what my name is, trying to pretend she don't know that I'm famous, I already knew it. One more minute till market opens. Just 1 minute. All right, let me see. Ooh, what? We got down? Damn. All right, we gapped up for gold. Got a gold gap up. Let's see if I can. Uh-oh. What's going on? Wow, it didn't even fill me in. Damn, that's kind of ass. We would have been up if it did fill me in. How much? Damn, we would have been up 700. Wait, what the fuck just happened? What's going on right now? Okay, there we go. All right, yeah, this shit is lagging. Shit is lagging hard, boys. We're up 400 right now. Seeing if we could get that push through. I'll take it off right there. Bro, what the fuck is going on right now? What the fuck? Bro. What the hell is happening? Okay, boom. So I did close out at 430. Yo, that shit was laggy as hell. What the fuck? All right, so we made 430 on that trade, but that shit was fucking laggy. The fuck was that? All right, let's see. I mean, well, gold trade is damn near over with, so we could go to
NQ, trade the NQ for a little bit. Good thing MFF, you haven't loaded my instant or my funded account yet. Damn. No, I definitely felt that. No, my shit was lagging. It didn't show me filled until like fucking 2 minutes later, then it started tweaking out and shit. Trump addresses reporters in New Jersey. Oh, you guys be careful. Some Trump news just came out. I'm gonna just wait till NQ hits like 50. I could possibly trade it down there. We're only looking to make 1,000 today, and then we'll just slower over rest because we literally won't get paid for what, the next 17 days, pretty much. Just about 17, 20, 23 days. Or 20, one of them. So it'll take a while. Devin, what are you trading right now? Our gold is coming back down. Kind of want to push gold up again and just test it out. Did we fill that gap? No, we didn't fill the gap. And I'm gonna wait for it to hit 56 area or 50s. May bounce for a little bit, but we'll probably end up coming back down. I feel like that's my guess. We could bounce from here though, for sure. So far, we're bouncing from what, 70s? Yeah, 70, 69.50. I just don't believe in this bounce. Not yet. Above me? Anyone trading right now? All right, gold is coming back down. I don't want to push gold up one more time. Maybe this ends up being our re-entry right here for another 400, 420. MFFU taking their sweet time getting my funded started ready. Did you pass in the daytime, or like did you pass it early New York session, mid New York, or did you pass it like at the when did you pass it? Because what I notice is every time I pass on a Friday, if I pass early in the morning before New York open, then it'll activate the same day. If not, then yeah, it'll activate Monday. Yeah, see, I knew NQ wasn't getting that push up. Let's go. Friday AM, yeah, it should be activated then, but I don't know. When I trade the starters take like a day or two to activate, but the starter plus activates the same day. It's weird. I'm gonna look for a pushback in the 70s from 52s. Oh no, see, that candle looks like it's gonna come down even lower. I think I'm gonna push this down a little bit more. I'll try from 40s. From 40 to 60s. Retracing from the original entry. What is gold doing? This Asia session is going kind of slow. Feel like we already had our big move. Now we're just gonna take our time with everything else. We're at 400 on a day, so we can't call it a quits, but I'm gonna still wait for this trade. Kind of want gold one more time. Let me see something real quick. I'd only be 120 back to that level. Oh shit, look at gold just pushed right back up. Damn. There goes my re-entry for gold. Kind of a bummer. It would be stupid for me to get in right here on gold, huh? I feel like it would be dumb as hell. I don't know, that move just looks so clean. Tell you what, if we could break over this and get a close over this quick, then I'll probably push it up for the remainder of the move. If we can get a close over though, I don't need to see it close. Oh, we got the push up, but we didn't get the close. So now I'm not liking it. I'm gonna just try it, see what happens. Very bad entry. But we tried anyways. Ain't Q drop yet? Nope, still up there. Oh shit, I forgot. I'm on MFFU. I mean, I'm on Phidias. I'm not on MFFU, so I could scalp the fuck out of this shit. That's exactly what I'm about to do. What the fuck? Just finna go for 20 point or 20 tick scouts. Still watching this gold trade though. I don't like the way this just doji. Look at the hourly. Gold, we're right back down. I'm anticipating a move above week open PO3 mindset. Below week open is discount if I'm correct. Well, this trade would have hit. So I stand there done with. So my plan with NQ would be to long from about 35, 36, 35 to the upside. And then with gold, I still went along gold, but I don't know. Guess we'll just wait it out. Wait it out, see if we can find the move. And gold's pushing back up. Q's stuck at 50s, 60s. Yeah, I like take profit. Most of these accounts are all the same, bro, honestly. None of them are really different. Take profit, you just can't trade news. That's literally it. Besides that, they don't really have any rules or anything, so they're pretty goated. And I mean, in the 50K, if you're not like familiar with the drawdown or not to like work the system, then yeah, micros sounds a bit like the best option in my opinion. I personally just don't trade micros unless it's like an overnight trade from Asia to New York. But yeah, besides that, or if news just happened, and then you wait the little 2 minutes, and then you just hop in to follow the trend with like micros, and you end up like with an extra 300 out of nowhere, that works as well. Still want that NQ to hit the 30s. Gold is pushing back up. Q looks like it wants to curl back up over here. Anyone in the trade right now? All right, we're filled on gold. Let's see if we can get a push back up off gold. See if we get a bounce back up. Nope. Fuck gold. Fuck you. I still think gold pushes back up. Hmm. Anyone trading right now? Welcome back. All right, I'm back. All right, NQ is getting that push up. I think I'm gonna take it the opposite way though. What is gold doing? Gold push back up to 30s. I think it just drops more a little bit over here. Whoa, what the fuck? All right, I don't think the market is fucking with me right now at all. Yeah, no, market's fucking me over right now, boys. I'm on gold. I look over here, I'm down like 100. Come back, down 2. I just wanted a 5-point trade. Might just take this off to take it off if we hit 90s again. And And Q has a gap though at 30s. I didn't even see this. Oh, that's on the hourly. Yeah, that's the regular gap. I'm tripping. Maybe we can retest the top VWAP and I'll just take it out like minus 50. Damn, from up 400 to minus 400, just like that. Really? I get out to trade in and want to come back down? Should have known. What is gold doing? We're gonna not push down on gold. I think I'm gonna test this gold trade out. I think I'm fucking myself up in the long run because I keep switching from contract to contract too. I think I need to stop doing that. Let's see what happens with gold. One more loss and I'm done, and I'll just come back on Monday or tomorrow. Damn, we came close to entry and then came back. I'm hoping we could get filled in this. It bounced right off the level realistically. Looks like a change in state of delivery. Change of direction. Alright, we're about to get filled on this in about 5 more ticks. 4. Let's see what happens. All right, we're filled. See if we can keep the push down. Bro, don't fucking retrace from here. In Q, we got a retest. Probably gonna push up more. All right, this is a trade. We lose this trade, then I'm gonna just stop it here, and we'll be down like 800-900, then just come back later. All right, as we come back down, I'm gonna trail my stop. Wait, let me actually switch this up. Do it like this. Okay, boom. And then I'll trail my stop once we go up 300 and then take my time with it. We're up 300 right now. I want us to go down a little bit more into it if we can. Okay, so I'll trail it like that. We'll probably get stopped out of this, and if we do, it's okay because we're trailing it. So you can't really complain. Wait, let me move that up just a tiny bit. Okay, right there. All right, let's see what happens. Now, while we wait for that to play out either direction. Oh, okay, we got trailed out of that. All right, let's see if we can get another push back up to our entry and then attempt it again. I guess we'll just go for the same trade from the same entry we had, which was 324. We're getting that push back up to 324, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go in for the same trade if we could get it. All right, we got filled again. Now let's look for the same thing. Hopefully that was a retest and we keep coming down more. All right, there we go. We're up 100. Same plan. We're gonna wait it out a little bit. Wait till we go up 300 in profits unrealized, and then we'll continue it down, and then just trail it. Gotta play it smarter than what we've been doing. I'll set a stop loss on this too for 25. So minus 100 stop loss, just in case it blows through it. Now we may come to this VWAP right here, even, and then drop, but we'll see what happens. Yo, John, what's good, my boy? If we don't flush anytime soon, then gold might be going up for the night or consolidate one of them. Damn, that was a whole 10 ticks we just jumped out of from nowhere. We break that wick and this trade is cooked. Right now it looks like it's cooked. Tight ass stop loss. Let me see what NQ is doing. NQ's coming down. I literally wanted to short, but what I got in from like, or no, I wanted the long, I think, yeah. So I'm glad I got out of that trade, actually. I think I wanted the long if we just failed. I don't know where I got out at, but I'm guessing I got out in time. No, we still took a loss on it. I'm not liking these small ass wicks on gold. No, hopefully we can barcode this candle right here. That's what I'll look for. Almost halfway there. All right, we're halfway there. There we go. We're gonna push down. Now give us 300 so I can trail it. Just give it to us. I'll trail it to break even. So in case we do lose it and it does push back up. Anyone in a trade right now? No, I want this wick to, fuck, what was I finna say? I want this candle to fully fill and just fully barcode it. All right, almost there. We're just about there. We're at 300. I'm gonna start trailing it now. Just a little bit. How much is that? Like what? 280, 260? All right, we made something on that. We made 240 in total, I think. So we made our losses back. I'm gonna just wait it out again. is NQ doing? Are you guys bots or something? Why you guys never respond? I asked like 5 times if anyone's in a trade, and only one person is saying something. Q bouncing off VWAP. Excuse me. Gold coming back down. All right, I think we're going to break that wig. I'm gonna just hop in. And we didn't break it. What the fuck? I thought that shit was just gonna push straight to the bottom. Nope, barcoded. It's fine though, I got a plan. Computer off, just watching, or it's the market makers watching silently to take the opposing trade. Take profit trader, 30% off, code BAPE. No activation fee. Yo, Chris was good. High fashion, I go yard, G-Wagon. Is the music too loud? I gotta play uncopyrighted music, unfortunately. Oh shit, look at that push up. Alright, we just averaged in. I'm gonna get ready to flatten this just in case. This is a range we're trading in. Come on, get this push down. In all facts, very difficult to short. I'm just looking for this little support right here. 15s. I think that little push up to 25s was too abrupt. And usually when we have a random ass, just strong push up, it comes back down. So that's what I'm hoping for. And that's the reason why I DCA'd back into it. So that's my reasoning. Yo, Muhammad was good. So right now we're almost break even. Just want that full push back down. Now we'll probably see 28s, 27s. And we bounced right off my entry. Just drop. NQ on its way back down. I went NQ at 30 still. God, we just keep getting that bullshit half move like every 2 minutes. Need this shit to drop. Break that wick. Come on. We're finally getting that push down. Let's keep going. Bro, why don't this shit want to fucking push down? Like, bro, just drop. Come on. Drop so I can go watch my show. Like, god damn. Like, just drop, bro. It'll take 10 seconds. 10 seconds to drop. That's all you need. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Probably finna hit view up, then drop. But I ain't trying to be in this trade that long. So just drop for me. Please. Tank the market for gold, not NQ. Wait, no, NQ2. Tank all this shit. Fuck it. NQ at 35. I need it. I need it. Buy me a Uzi. Bro, I'm finna start streaming on like Twitch or some shit. I'm tired of every time I play a song, it get copyrighted. Like, that is the dumbest shit YouTube ever did. I remember when they did that too. What was it, like 2016 maybe or some shit? Like, bro, that was the actual dumbest decision I feel like that they ever did or ever made. 100%. But any other streaming platform you can listen to music on and not get copyrighted. If we're just gonna keep bouncing off entry, then I'm gonna just hop out of this before I get mad. Finally, bro. Now continue down. Just keep going. Keep going. Come on. I'm trailing this from 300 again. I don't even care. Just drop. No way does it feel that weak. I'm looking over here, by the way. New 3-minute candle. New 5-minute. Just drop. Bro, if this shit shoots up, Asia, not Asia, but Asia is rigged. Super rigged. Shit, it is getting to that point though. It's getting to that point. Can we get a drop? Oh, fuck. Ugh. All right, and then I'm gonna trail this from, what is this? 21-1 maybe? All right, we're up 300, right? But our chart's not moving, so we're gonna wait this out. So once we hit right here, 19.5, boom, we're trailing this shit. So this is gonna be where we trail from. Then we'll trail it right to that box range that I have. So we'll trail it from right here for 300. Just need it to come down more. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Yes, sir. We're trailing that 500. Fuck it. Trail it. We got filled on it. We're up 600 on a day. Probably could have got the full trade, but we're good getting whatever we can. So boom, we got that pushed down. We still want 16s though. We did just get what, like a little double bottom right here at 18.5. So we'll see what happens next. Now we're just gonna sit this out. Here, let's go take a look at NQ. Let's see where NQ's at. NQ still haven't broke under 50s. Got to 45, that's it. Pushed up off it. Maybe I can trade this to 430 instead of playing a bounce off of 430s. Maybe that might be a little bit more ideal. I don't know, we'll wait it out. All right, we're back in this box range. So what we'll do, we'll wait, see if we come higher or not. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. We're hopping out their wedge. How do I draw one of these? Like, what's the tool to draw one of those and not have to use, what would it be, a path? Is this what it's called? Is this what it's called, a path? Right? Boom. Fuck, I fucked that up. Welcome. Mm, yeah. All right, shit. I'm in it right there. We're up 600 on the day, so we'll probably just leave it at that. Looks like lower spotty candles on NQ, lower volume, crappy conditions. Yeah, I'm gonna just stop it out from right here. We made 600. We'll stop, but as you see, NQ finally hit 50s again. We'll probably come down to 436. Push up. If not, then I'll say look for a bounce off 408s maybe. But till then.